Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 9, subject social science, chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is Movement Towards a New World. Now, dear children, already we have learned about the United Nations as well as the establishment of the United Nations. Now, today we have to learn about the organs of the United Nations. Now, today, what we have to learn, dear children? Today we have to learn about the organs of the United Nations. संयुक्त राष्ट्रना अंगो. Now, the structure adopted by the United Nations to achieve its aim, whatever the structure was adopted by the United Nations to achieve its aim, and it includes the 6 organs. How many organs are included in United Nations, dear children? Total 6 organs was included in the United Nations. Now, which are the 6 organs? First, General Assembly. It is known as the Samanya Sabha. Second one, Security Council. It means Salamati Samiti. Third one, Economic and Social Council. It means Arthik and Samaji Samiti. Fourth one, Trusted Council. It means Wali Samiti. Fifth one, International Court of Justice. It means Antarrashtriya Adalat. And sixth one, Secretariats. It means Sachivalaya. Now, dear children, we have learned in detail about the 6 organs of the United Nations. Now, and what are the activities are to be done by the organs of the United Nations? Dear children, we have studied in detail. Sir. Now, first of all, they have given about the General Assembly. With they have given, dear children, they have given about the General Assembly. It is Samanya Sabha. The biggest organ of the United Nations. What they would say that the biggest organs of the United Nations is the General Assembly. It includes the representative of all the members of the nation. Now, what happens, dear children? In General Assembly is the biggest organ of the United Nations. Secondly, also they have included the representative of all the members of the nation. Every nation can send the maximum 5 representatives. What happened, dear children? Here, the every nation will send the 5 maximum representatives to this. But during the election time, only 1 vote of each country is counted. What happened, dear children? Here, only the 1 vote is counted for the every country. Now, in General Assembly, which kind of the work is to be done? First, it can discuss, advise, suggest or recommendation on any matter related to the international relation. What happened there? Here, any matter regarding with the international relation, it can discuss, advise, suggest and recommend. Second, it accepts the budget present by the Secretary General every year. Here, what happened there? Every year, the Secretary General represent the budget and allocate the expenses. Third, it attempt to find the solution of economic problem of the nation. Here in General Assembly, what happened there? Here, they have to find the solution of economic problem of the nation, human rights, disarmaments or other international matter. Decisions are taken by 2/3 of the majority in general matter. Whatever the decision are to be taken, this decision are to be the 2/3 majority in general matter. Now, second one they have given about the Security Council. Security Council, it means Salamati Samiti. This is the most important organ of the United Nations. Now, what happened there? This is also the most important organ of United Nations. There are the 5 permanent members in Security Council. How many members are there in, dear children, in Security Council? Total 5 members are there. And these 5 members are the permanent members in the Security Council. Which are there? America, Britain, France, Russia and China. Which are 5 there? I am repeating. America, Britain, France, Russia and China are the 5 members permanent in the Security Council. Other 10 countries are not permanent members. What happened? Other 10 countries are there in Security Council, but they are not permanent members. They are elected for the term of the 2 years by the General Assembly. This council enjoys the tremendous power in order to maintain the international peace and security. What the main purpose of the Security Council? The main purpose of the Security Council that whatever they have to use this power to order, to maintain the peace at the international level of the security. It solved the problem and the dispute of the nation peacefully. What was the other one? They have to solve the problem peacefully between the nations through the negotiation and the mediator. When any one permanent member does not vote in support of some important international matter, it cannot take the decision on that. What happens here? If the any one member cannot given the vote for the support of any decision, then it cannot take the decision. And this power of the 5 permanent member, it is called as a veto power. It is known as also called as a veto power. Which power? Veto power. And this veto power is only the 5 nations. Right today, Russia has used the veto power maximum number of the time. Which nation has included the maximum number of the time as a veto power? The Russia is using the maximum, the veto power. Now third one, they have to given about the Economic and Social Council. Which one? Economic and Social Council. It means Arthik and Samajik Samiti. Now this council is also called ECOSOC. This council is also given the another name. The name is ECOSOC. The General Assembly appoint 2/3 of its retirement member for the 3 years. What happened? The General Assembly appoint 2/3 of its retiring member for the 3 years. This council tried to raise the standard of the living of the nation. What was the work of the Economic and Social Council? Its main work to improve the living standard of the people of the every nation at the world level without any kind of the discrimination or bias on the religious, caste, any region. This council and its sub-council is work all over the world. Now they have given the name of the important function are working under the Economic and Social Council. First WHO, second one IMF, third one FAO, fourth one ILO, fifth one UNICEF, and sixth one UNESCO. Now first they have given about the WHO, and here all these full form is most important for the all kinds of the examination in future for the competitive exam. First WHO, World Health Organization, and this WHO work to improve the health of the people of the world level. Second, IMF, it means International Monetary Fund, work to establish the financial stability. Third one, they have to given about FAO, it means Food and Agriculture Organization, help to improve the agriculture production, forestry, fishery, and raise the nutrition level. After they have given about the ILO, it means International Labour Organization, work to provide the rights and the justice to the labor of the world level. Next one, they have given about the UNICEF. UNICEF, it means United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. What they have given the full form? United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. Undertake the child welfare activities are to be done. Under this, what happened? The child welfare activities are to be the working to improve the health of the children of the world level by providing the nutrition food as well as the education. It means this institution work for to provide the education as well as the nutrition food provided to the children. Next, they have given about the UNESCO. UNESCO, it means United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, work to improve the cooperation between the nations. What was the main work? Here the main work is to cooperation between among the all the nations by removing the illiteracy, raising the standard of the living of the people through the education, providing justice, education, science as well as the cultural resources. Besides it, there are the sub-council and the regional council which undertake the various activities under the UNESCO. Fourth one, they have to given about the signal is a trustship council. Which one? Trustship council. It is Wali Samiti. Under this, there are the 5 permanent members in this council. The representative selected by the General Assembly are included here. It oversees the matter pertaining to the nation that have not acquired the independence. It means they are working on the nation which the nation have not acquired the independence, and are under some provisions and mandate. Also, the nation defeated in the Second World War as well as the social, economical, and political development. It means this council work for the Second World War nation which have lost. They are how they have to improve the social, economical, and political development. Now, fifth one they have given about the International Court of Justice. It means Antarrashtriya Adalat, and that's why it headquarter is in the city of Hague in Netherlands. Where is the International Court of Justice here, children? The International Court of Justice in the Netherlands. There are the 15 judges. How many judges are there, dear children? Here, total 15 judges are there in International Court of Justice. Where who are appointed for the 9 years? These are appointed for the how many years? These judges are appointed for the 9 years. It solved the dispute between the nation. What was the main work of the International Court of Justice? The main work is to solve the international dispute between the nation, give the verdict on international dispute presented before it, and give the legal advice. And sixth one and last one, that is known as a secretary, and it is known as in Gujarati you say it Sachivalaya. The office of the Secretary General of the United Nations is called as Secretary. What is known as a Secretary? Secretary, it means the office of the Secretary General of the United Nations is called the Secretary. The General Assembly appoints the Secretary General for the 5 years. What happened there, dear children? Here, the General Assembly appoints the Secretary General for how many years? For the 5 years. Secretarial, administrative, assistants, translator, expert, all are to be appointed with the help of the Secretary General. The Secretary is situated in the New York. Where it is situated? It is situated in New York in America. The United Nations has constantly been making effort to establish world peace, world unity, and to achieve the dream of universal brotherhood. And that's why, dear children, we can say that United Nations was constantly working for the establishment for the world peace, world unity, and to achieve the dream of the universal brotherhood. Thank you, dear children.